In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate payment reminders in Zoho Books. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and search for Zoho. From the search results, head to the official Zoho site and sign in. If you're already signed in, great. Just make sure you're in the correct Zoho account for your business. If you manage multiple organizations, select the right one so your reminders go to the correct customers and invoices. Once you're in, look for the Zoho app launcher and choose Books. This takes you into your accounting workspace, where we'll set up the automation. Inside Zoho Books, navigate to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. In the Settings page, find the Reminders and Notifications section, then click Reminders. This is the control center for following up on unpaid invoices. In the Automated Reminders area, locate Reminders based on due date and click the option to create a new reminder. This type of reminder is perfect for nudging customers around the time an invoice is due, without you needing to track dates manually. Give your reminder a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple reminders for different scenarios. Next, choose the recipients. You can send the reminder to the customer, to yourself, or to both. Many teams select both, so customers are notified and you stay informed about what's going out. Now customize the email subject and body. This is where clarity and tone matter. Keep the subject concise and informative, and in the body include essential details like the invoice number, amount due, and due date. If Zoho Books offers placeholders in your account, use them to automatically pull in customer names and invoice information. Aim for a polite, professional tone, firm enough to encourage action, but friendly enough to maintain good relationships. If you use a customer portal or payment link, reference it in your message so customers can pay quickly. Next, choose the From address. Pick the email your customers recognize as your official billing or accounts address. Using a consistent, verified address improves deliverability and helps reduce the chance of your reminders landing in spam. Finally, enable the reminder by checking the option to turn it on, then click Save. That's it. Your automated reminder is now active. Zoho Books will handle the follow-up for you based on invoice due dates, keeping your cash flow on track while saving you time. You can come back to this page anytime to tweak the content or recipients as your needs evolve.